Hi everyone, this is Ankita from Sunnyvale, California. So today I'm going to share with you my healthy breakfast recipe. As I eat in a morning and you can eat in the evening also. It is a very good habit to follow a good healthy lifestyle. Uh, Eating healthy and eating a good breakfast in the morning is a very good habit. You have to eat healthy in the morning or in the evening also. As it is said that healthy mind and healthy body leads to a healthy lifestyle, friends. So go ahead and keep eating a healthy food, healthy things. Today I'm going to share with you my healthy smoothie recipe. Let's go and make my healthy smoothie recipe, friends. And this smoothie is very good for health. You must try this smoothie recipe, friend. So what we will need, friends: 1 banana, grapes, apple, pears and spinach and curd. Friends, I am showing you the chart of these fruits which I used in this smoothie. These are the nutritional values of these fruits. You can read this. These fruits are very nutritious. I'll go and add apples. So I am making for 2 people, so I am adding half apple and half pear. You can add 1 whole apple if you are making for 4 people, 4 to 5 people. So add pears. And then there's spinach in it. Ooh, yummy, looks yummy. And then grapes, some grapes, like 1 cup grapes. Grapes, and finally half of banana, 1/4 cup of curd. And then I will add some. Then I'll add water in it. I'll go and add black salt and black pepper. You can skip this, but I like this flavor, so I will add black salt, 1/4 spoon, and then I'll add black pepper in it. For the flavor you can add and I'll go and blend it now. So my smoothie is ready now. Till then, bye bye, take care, stay happy, stay positive, take care of yourself. Bye bye.